Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing me for the first time, I am Sakshi Singhania and I create skincare, beauty and lifestyle content here. So if you're interested in that space, please hit the subscribe button so that you get notified every single time I upload a video. This video is in the continuation of the top 10 series. 3 videos on the top 10 series are already there on my channel. They are top 10 moisturizers, top 10 face serums and top 10 cleansers. So if you're interested in watching those videos, I will put the link in the description box below. There is also a playlist called top 10 series on my channel where you can find all the top 10 videos. As you all already know, this video is on top 10 lip balms. Now I have got super chapped and dry lips, and trust me, I am a sucker for lip balms. I have tried so many lip balms and I used to keep applying lip balms every now and then because my lips used to feel so dry. It's because I could not find lip balms that could actually hydrate my lips, but it's no more the same. And now I have found 10 lip balms. First things first, some of you might be expecting Maybelline's lip balm in this list, but it just doesn't work for me. I have used so many tubes of Maybelline's lip balm because they were all over the market, and at that point of time that was the only lip balm that I could find. Over time I felt that by using Maybelline's lip balm, my lips are getting used to lip balms, and that was the reason I had to apply and reapply lip balms every half an hour or 1 hour. But now I have found really good lip balms and I swear by these lip balms. We have some tinted as well as non-tinted lip balm, and the first one is Sebamed lip balm. Now I swear by this lip balm. This lip balm has got SPF 30 in it. Don't mind the packaging, the print has gone because I have used it a lot. Now this is a must buy for each and everyone, be it men or women, because it has got SPF 30 in it. SPF for lips is as important as it is for your face, and in India we do not have a lot of lip balms which has got SPF in it. So it is a very good lip balm as it not only has SPF but it is also hydrating. If there is one lip balm that you should get from this whole video, it should be this. I will give you reasons. Number 1, it has got SPF 30 in it. Number 2, not only it has SPF but it is also hydrating. Number 3, it has got stick packaging, so it is super hygienic and you can apply it anytime and anywhere. I have almost finished this lip balm because I use it every single day, and it is also non-tinted, which makes it perfect for each and everyone out there. It is super hydrating and it does not really have that glossy or shiny finish, which makes it perfect for each and everyone. Again repeating, just like how you use SPF for your face or for your exposed part of the body, the same way SPF in lip balm is also a must. It will prevent the pigmentation that is caused on your lips by sun damage. Next lip balm is from the brand I love, and that is Juicy Chemistry. It is their Blood Orange and Rosehip lip balm. Now this is an organic lip balm and it claims to work on pigmented lips. First of all, you don't need to be ashamed of pigmented lips because it is something very common in Indian skin tones. But in case you want to treat it, so I would suggest you to go for this lip balm plus the Sebamed SPF 30 lip balm. So you can use the Sebamed lip balm in the daytime, and at night you can use this lip balm so that it helps you with the pigmentation. Now the texture of this is like frozen oil. Now as you can see, I have almost hit the pan. That's how much I love this lip balm. It has got very light orangish tint in it. It melts beautifully as and when you apply this on your lips. It also has that citrusy smell which I love. A lot of you might have heard the hype around this lip balm, and it is real because not only it claims to work for pigmented lips but it also is very hydrating to your lips. And the third thing is it is super affordable. The MRP of this lip balm is 350 if I'm not wrong, and I paid 260 or 280 rupees, which is I think a great deal. Also the packaging is really good. This is made up of tin and this is glass. So yes, this is again a very good lip balm that you can invest your money in. The third lip balm is a very famous lip balm which has made to my top 10 list, and it is their Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This, just like the other lip balms, it is super hydrating. Again, I have almost finished this lip balm like you can see. like butter on your lips, but it is super hydrating. And this is a heavy duty lip balm because as you can see, the texture is a little thick. They have got two sizes in this, and it is the smaller one. It has 8 grams of lip balm. The bigger one has 15 or maybe 30 grams, but I think the smaller one is more than enough because I got this around, I think, last year, which was 8 to 9 months back, and I still haven't finished it. Obviously also because I'm using a lot of the lip balms, but you just need a little bit of this to hydrate your lips and you will be good to go. One more thing, it says it is a lip sleeping mask, but you can definitely use this as a lip balm in your AM or PM routine. They have also come up with different flavors in this range, so do check them out while buying. The next lip balm is again a lip mask and is my current favorite lip balm. It is from the brand Earth Rhythm. Now this has got pomegranate flower and beetroot extract in it. First of all, look at the packaging. Isn't it super cute? This lip balm is a beautiful lip balm. It says it is an overnight intensive treatment, which it actually is, because my lips are like super chapped and super dry, and that's when I apply this lip balm and I wake up to like beautiful soft lips. The difference between the Laneige lip sleeping mask and the Earth Rhythm lip mask is that Laneige one is a bit on the heavier side, whereas the Earth Rhythm lip mask is a little lighter, is what I feel. Also, I feel I am a little more gravitated towards this lip balm because it comes in a tube packaging, and I have a thing for, tube or stick packaging because I feel it is a lot more hygienic. As even if you're outside, you don't have to dip your finger in it and contaminate the whole lip balm. And the Earth Rhythm lip mask has got just the right amount of tint that I need on my lips. If you can see, this is the tint. Like I said, it is very light on your lips and it does not feel heavy or sticky, but at the same time it hydrates your lips beautifully. I know the color is not really visible on my hand, but when you apply this on your lips, you get that soft, flushy and rosy pinky lips. This is a beautiful, hydrating, amazing lip balm. Like whatever I say for this lip balm is just not enough. That's how much I love this lip balm. The fifth lip balm is another love from the same brand. Some of you must have guessed it by now. It is the lip butter. The packaging and the color especially is so aesthetic that I had to buy this lip balm. These two were launched together. This is their lip mask and it has got a very, very, very light and beautiful tint in it, which I have already talked about. And this one is a non-tinted version of it. This is the lip butter. You need a very little amount of this. The texture is like this. And this is also like too much for your lips. You just need half of it and it would do its job. The brand has named it very rightly, that is lip butter, because it hydrates your lips very well. Like you can see, it has got glossy finish, so you can also use it on top of your lipstick to make it look like a lip gloss. The MRP of this lip balm is around 400. I will put the exact amount right here, and I purchased it on MRP. But one tip here guys, I have noticed that Earth Rhythm goes on sale literally every month and they provide 25 to 35% discount, so just wait for the sale and grab these. The next one is from the brand Dot & Key and it is their lip plumping sleeping mask. I have a complete dedicated video on this lip balm, so if you want to know in detail about this lip balm, I will put the link in the description box below. Coming back to how this lip balm is, it has got vitamin C and vitamin E in it, so definitely it is going to hydrate your lips very well. It is a super pigmented lip balm like you can see, and it looks like a fruit jam. If you are someone who wants to skip on lipsticks and just want a lip balm which is hydrating and is highly pigmented, you can definitely give this a try. Also, this is like the biggest dabba of lip balm that I have ever seen. It has 35 ml of lip balm, which is going to last you forever. It also smells like fruit jam only, so don't eat it. Jokes apart, I have a coupon code with them which is SA10. You can apply that if you want to avail 10% discount on this. One more thing, it says it is a lip sleeping mask, but since it is highly pigmented, I would not really recommend you all to use it at night. Instead, at night you can use a non-tinted lip balm, but in the daytime you can definitely use this. Next lip balm is the Body Shop Vitamin E lip balm. Now I have used so many of this. I found this lip balm after I was done using Maybelline's lip balm. Like I mentioned, it never really hydrated my lips, it only gave me tint. So Body Shop was the only brand that I thought can, like have maybe better lip balms. So I tried this. First of all, it has got vitamin E and wheat germ oil, which is going to hydrate your lips really well. Now we all know the Body Shop vitamin E range is really good. I also love their face wash and I have mentioned it in my top 10 cleanser. Second, it has got SPF 15 and PA++, which is also going to give you sun protection. Now I know it's not a lot of sun protection, but something is better than nothing. And third, it comes in tube packaging. So of course by now you know that I love lip balms which has got tube packaging in. It is a non-tinted lip balm, like you can see. Now I've already finished this lip balm, so I can't really show you the texture. Or wait, maybe I can scoop some out from here and show you. Yes. It is a non-tinted lip balm and it is not sticky at all, but it has got waxy kind of finish. And as you can see, you don't really get a glossy or shiny finish. So if you're someone who does not like shiny or glossy finish, but at the same time wants to use a lip balm which hydrates your lips beautifully, you can definitely use this lip balm. The next lip balm is from the same brand, Body Shop, but I don't have the lip balm with me as of now. It is their hemp lip balm. It comes in this green packaging. I tried that lip balm after using this lip balm and I must say both are very hydrating. But of course this one is a tad bit more hydrating than the hemp lip balm. But you can definitely give that one also a try. Next two products are not really lip balms, but they are lip scrubs. Now I thought of including them in this video because it basically is a lip care video. Lip scrubs are not necessary but an additional step. I will tell you how. You don't really need to invest in a lip scrub. Instead, you can simply use your toothbrush to scrub your lips. What you can do is, after you finish brushing your teeth, you can clean the brush and you can take the same toothbrush and gently move on your lips so that you can remove the dead skin on your lips. Now this trick works wonderfully, hence you don't really need to invest in lip scrubs. But recently I have started using electric toothbrushes, because of which I cannot really scrub my lips with the toothbrush, as of course it is very harsh to use electric toothbrushes on your lips, and that is when I started using lip scrubs. So the first lip scrub is from the brand Dot & Key again. Again, I have a complete dedicated video on this product, so I will link the video in the description box below. Coming to the product now, it is an exfoliating sugar scrub and the texture is like this. It has got minty color. It is a very mild scrub, so you don't need to be worried about over exfoliating your lips. Also, this smells like bubblegum, and again you get 35 ml of product, and trust me, you just need a little bit of it to scrub your lips. So if you're interested in lip scrub, this is a very good product to invest in. As I mentioned earlier, I have a coupon code with Dot & Key which is SK10, so you can use that to avail 10% discount. The last lip scrub and the last product of this video is from the brand Juicy Chemistry. It is their Blood Orange and Rosehip lip scrub. The main ingredient of this lip scrub is same as that of their lip balm, which I have mentioned earlier in this video. It comes in a very cute small glass bottle. Texture of this lip scrub is like this. This also has sugar in it, just like the previous one. It is one of the best lip scrubs that I have used, and of course that is why it is there in this video. It also has got citrusy smell just like its lip balm, and of course you cannot go wrong with Juicy Chemistry products. Oh yes, and when it comes to applying lip scrubs, you don't need to wet your lips. You can just take some product and directly apply it on your dry lips and move your fingers gently, and don't go in like that rubbing motion, because if you use water with these lip scrubs, the particles are going to melt in like 5 to 6 seconds, and it will definitely not help you with scrubbing the dead skin. So just use it without water and you will be good to go. So this was my top 10 lip balms plus lip scrubs. Basically, it was a lip care video. Now, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button so that you get notified every single time I upload a video. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!